Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Libra. Libra people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Libra people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. And we are also going to see what actions they are taking towards you in next coming 10 days. Okay, so this reading is going to be for the first 10 days of August month. Alright, okay, let's start the reading for Libra. Libra people, I'm going to pick one card to check your current energy, the other card to check your partner's current energy, and the third card is to check what actions your partner is taking towards you in next 10 days. Six of Pentacles. Libra, it seems like you are being somebody who is giving a lot of things to somebody else. Okay, there is a specific person on whom you are spending your all money, your all time, your all efforts. Okay, you are being on a giving side, so you are just trying to please somebody. That's what I'm seeing, Libra. Okay, so you are at a giving side. Okay, you are giving something to somebody. It could be your love, it could be your emotion, it could be your time, it could be your efforts, it could be anything. On the other hand, the Tower, something disaster has been done in your partner's life, or they are going through some big hurdle or tough time in their life. The Tower is saying this to me. They are trying to escape, but they could not. They are trying to escape, they are trying to move out, but they are unable to move. Perhaps they were waiting for you to come and rescue them, but you are not being present at that time. So something big has happened with your person, or is about to happen, or is happening right now. They are feeling drained, they are feeling alone, they are feeling completely broken right now. Alright, so we have this card, Death and Rebirth. With this card, it seems like in the next coming 10 days, Libra, I feel that your person can either, take a break from you, or it's either they can, break this relationship, or they'll try to reconnect with you. Okay, it's like it's going to be a black and white decision for them. So within next 10 days, you will get to know what this person actually wants. Okay, they are not going to put anything in gray. Everything is going to be in black and white from their side towards you. Okay, alright. So it seems like some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Libra. And we have Scorpio also in this reading. So some of you could be dealing with that too. Okay. So that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.